There are basically three things that you have to know if you're going to precision clean anything, right? The first is, and man, does this sound simple, but it's the definition of clean, right? How clean does this need to be? And how are we measuring that level of cleanliness? Is there a standard or specification that measures it? Is there a different customer call out for this? So you have to have a definition of clean. It's never sufficient to say, well, it has to be really clean. The second is, what are you trying to clean? What's the component or the substrate? And you need to know the metallurgy for chemical compatibility. You need to know the surface finish. You need to know the configuration. How's it shaped, the geometry? You need to know everything that you can possibly know about the component that you're cleaning in order to clean it. And finally, what is the soil or the contaminant? What are you trying to get off of this thing, right? It's oil, grease, particulate. What's the chemical composition of the oil? Is it a hydrocarbon? Is it a synthetic? Physical characteristics. If there are particulates embedded in this, are they metallic? Are they some other sort of soft soil? How are they adhered to? Are they embedded in a film of something, or is it a neutral attractive force, something like that that's binding it to it? So there's a lot of different things you can know here.